What a nice, beautiful morning. Nice and quiet over here. 6:30 a.m. I think we gotta let them know that we're going to Cars and Coffee today. We haven't done this in a while, a very long time, since last June of 2020, the last time we cruised with all you guys. And today we're doing a little mini cruise on the way to Cars and Coffee. This is kind of last minute. I just posted it last night on my story, so I'm curious to see how the turnout's gonna be. I'm not sure if a lot of people are gonna go because, like I said, I posted it last minute. But regardless, I'm really excited. I just love cruising with all the friends, a whole bunch of cars. That is one of the funnest things to do, is just cruising with a whole bunch of cars on the freeway. How you doing?
Good, good. Alex.
It's crazy, bro. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Long time no see. How you doing?
How you been?
Good, good. So we just pulled up to the cruise spot, or the meetup spot for the cruise. Got a few cars. I know it's super early still. I'm curious to see how many cars are gonna come through. 7 in the morning right now. Super early for me, but got a few Supras. Got a wide body Mustang. I've never really seen one like up close. It's pretty cool. And we got Julio's Supra. If you guys don't remember, he had the red Supercharged FRS, the Edelbrock, the one that I drove for the vlog. But he actually got that car stolen, which is super crazy. So he actually got an upgrade. He got a new Supra. I think he did put some like catless downpipes on and a few little mods. Super nice. I was saying I never really saw one like up close in person.
I just don't know why the little things like make a huge difference.
Yeah, like the duckbill and.
So nice. It's just the mirrors are getting me. I think they
The
look
mirrors?
like Batman. Like a Batmobile.
Yeah, it's super aggressive. I like
The
it.
stock body.
I always love white wheels. Yeah. I actually had. Do you guys remember I had these wheels on my car one time? Back when it was red too. Ooh, and this is my favorite duckbill. I love this duckbill so much. The Leg Sport. Yeah, super sick. Love the red on white. Obviously, since my car is like that. Like I said, I've always wanted to kind of restart my build and just get a stock FRS and make like a whole stance build and, you know, just kind of start brand new on FRS. I feel like that would be super cool. Let me know if I should do that. Like sick stock body stance build. I feel like that would be so cool. Oh, I want these headlights. I miss my VLANs, not gonna lie. Oh man, the ones I have on my car are like really messed up right now. Let me know if you guys have any VLANs for sale. I really want to get some for my car. DM me on Instagram because I actually want those back. Got a Civic. Look at this thing. Gosh dang, bro. I think it's freaking wide. This is super sick. The little vents. Wow. We got more cars. There's WRX. A few more FRSs. A few more came that way too. Bro.
Oh yeah.
What's up, bro? I remember on our last cruise, he was like blowing our ears out. He was like blowing our ears out the last cruise. Waggy.
Ricky.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Got his Mustang right here. I saw you got the Euros too.
Yeah, I got the Euros, bro.
Nice, dude. Very nice. Got the APR wing. And of course the Euros, my favorite mod. thing is so sick. Yeah. Very nice. That was what I meant about the little coyote badge I want to do. Yep. Got the FRS today in the video. If you guys haven't been updated with the videos, we got the bumper painted. Brand new paint job, no more cracks. Nothing falling apart anymore. Looks brand new. We got the wheels, new hardware. Pretty much repaired all the curb rash. It's pretty much looking pretty fresh right now. Yeah, while the car was down, while I had no wheels, I got like the trunk buffed out, made the carbon look brand new, and pretty much just like restored the whole car, like the look. Just made everything look really mint, and yeah, it's looking good so far. Like I said, I just need some new headlights because these things are kind of looking beat up. Alright guys, we're now heading out. We got all the cars coming through. Pretty good turnout. We got like maybe, I don't know, a little bit less than 20 cars, I think. Had about an hour drive up to Cars and Coffee. This should be pretty interesting. We got some Supras, a whole bunch of 86s, and it's been a while. I'm super excited since our first cruise. What color is this called? Is this the... What's it?
There was another group behind
It has a name, I forgot. Damn, this is nice. I really want an STI so bad. Or even just a WRX. But this color though, here, super nice. It's kind of like the V3 kit. Damn. I would so get one of these. Man, I love the kit. Supras, more Supras.
Very far from now, but one day.
Dang, bro. V-Lands too. Gosh, I really need to set a V-Lands. Crazy. Love this color combo. That looks so good. The tails, the cleanest, low mileage Cobra here. This thing is so nice. It's actually my buddy Chris's car. So nice.
Yeah, you need to.
Literally like brand new. It's crazy.
Man, I reshoot the front and like a
Whole bunch of Mustangs. Got Shelby. This thing is nice. I like the wheels. Super nice. Dream cars right here. If I were to get a Lambo, for sure it'd be a Huracan. Look at the wrap on this thing. That's sick. Look at this thing. This thing literally looks like a bullet. It's crazy. Damn. I don't know much about classics, but this thing is sick. On the floor. This one's nice. I like the fitment. Got the T's on the back. Ooh. This is sick. The color. I don't know, just that Nardo with the carbon. I love that color combo. Looks fast too. Gosh. I can't get over that color combo. Carbon and Nardo. I've always loved some RSs. I really like the RS. I'm not sure if I would get one, but I love the way they look. This one has a wide body. This thing is sick. That color too. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen a wide body RS. Yeah, it has like a sealant too. That's different. This matte blue along with the white. My top two choices in wheel colors. So sick. I like these wheels, the Conte ones. Super nice.
Yeah, appreciate it.
See, if I get bags, I'm gonna definitely go like this.
Yeah?
That's why I'm like debating on getting bags, 'cause I already know.
I'm surprised you got bags from the Mustang.
Yeah. That was kind of random. But once I get bags for the FRS, I'm for sure gonna do something like this.
Just pull up to the meet and have like your drinks right there.
Yeah. This thing is so hard. Yeah.
I lost one on the
Bro.
freeway.
I'm telling you guys, if I bag my car, I'm for sure stand things like this. This thing is so hard. Damn. Tempting me, guys. WRX. So tempted. This thing is so nice. Gosh, that's dope. A little two-tone. That is sick. I want one. This color combo. And a mag blue on white. Sheepy Race, Goals, NSX, Meisters. I need to keep my wheels this clean. This is crazy. Super nice. I would still be down to mob this and like the dirt roads. Like it just looks so much fun. I don't gotta worry about scraping or anything. This reminds me of my first color. The first color change, the gray I had. Literally looks identical. The thing is sick.